Greetings. This video is to introduce you guys to my new analog automatic control board for the Delanair system that is used in the Jaguar Series 2 and 3 XJs and the XJS during that same time period. Many of you are already familiar with this one. This is a manual board that I've been selling in various forms for many years. This is probably the culmination. Probably won't get any more advanced than this one. It works nicely. It fits in a small little box. It works good. Relatively affordable. Not a problem. This one over here is the automatic one that I developed last year, and it would attempt to follow the temperature inside the car and adjust the car accordingly to where you had the control knob set. It worked, but I think it's overkill. It's too complicated an operation, and it's not really necessary. Plus, it's also got a lot of, it's got more expensive components, and it's got a surface mount LEDs and resistors, and it's difficult to put together, so I have to charge considerably more for this than I did the older manual one over here on the other side. So, with those two things in mind, I started looking at the idea of possibly working out the analog version of the automatic, which is I kind of given up on before, but you know, persistence is the key, they say. So I went back, had a look at what I can do, and I came up with this one. These trim pots, these two here, which are in place of these fixed resistors over here, allow me to adjust the range of the feedback pot so that it more closely matches the range of the thermistor over our working temperatures. Basically, we're only concerned about 20 degrees, so anywhere between 65 degrees and 85 degrees is where we can control the knob, and almost always you're going to be setting your car somewhere in the 70s. So we have a very limited range that we have to use. So the problem was that the feedback pot was running over a much wider range. So anyway, by using these, we can limit how the upper and lower limits of the feedback pot, and it seems to work really nicely. Anyway, so otherwise, you see, it's just very much like the manual one. So since they're about the same size, they fit in the same little case, and they have, it's not very complicated to build. I can sell the automatic one for the same price as the manual one. So now this is just a choice. If you still want this one, I can make it. If you just really want to see all the little numbers flash by on your computer screen and everything, I can build this thing, but it costs basically twice as much as the others do. So anyway, just wanted to introduce you. I'm going to do another video and explain how this board works, what you can do with these trim pots and various things like that. But for right now, just an introduction. So I can do either one. So anyway, so there we go. You guys take care out there, be safe, and happy motoring.